Hey everyone, I hope you're well and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create this very beautiful 4 strands waterfall braid. This hairstyle is very easy, anyone can do it. So let's get started. I'm starting this hairstyle with middle parting, taking a small section of hair, dividing this section into 4 equal sections, and starting from the top section. And I'm making my model hold this strand for me so it will not come in a way. Again, crossing the top section under the middle section, also adding a small section of hair with it, taking a small section right next to the strands I have just dropped. Again, I am making my model hold these strands. Again, adding small section of hair with the top section, crossing under and over, taking a small section right next to the strand I have just dropped, making my model hold all these strands. And I'm gonna repeat these steps until I reach the back of the head. And you can create this hairstyle with side parting as well. And I'm gonna show you two versions of this hairstyle. One is a straight version and the next is curled version. Now I'm gently pancaking the edge of this braid to make it big, to give it some volume. And I will repeat the same process on the other side as well, and will secure both the braids together. And with this section, I am creating normal 4 strands braid, crossing the section over and under from the left and right side. So I'm pancaking the edge of this braid to give it some volume to make it big. And you can see the flyaways and frizz, which I'm gonna fix in the end. And I have secured this braid with the rubber band. And this step is completely optional. I am taking, the strands which I have just dropped and spraying a little bit of hairspray to control the frizz, and I'm gonna curl all these strands. But this step is completely optional, you don't have to do it. And also, please let me know in the comment section if you like this hairstyle, or which version do you like the most, curled version or straight version. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please guys, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because most of the viewers on my channel are non-subscribers. So please subscribe, and it really motivates me to make more videos for you. And I'm gonna curl the hair from the other side as well. I can't show you the entire process, guys, because I don't want to bore you. But if you want me to make a separate tutorial on curling the hair, please let me know in the comment section. And here's the final result. This is the straight version and this is the curled version. I hope guys you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, take care of yourself.